Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from panter.vis. Today I want to show you how to achieve this magnifying effect on typography. So let's jump in. First step, I'm gonna type in the text. So I'm gonna go to the type tool, which is located right here. And I'm gonna select this area like so. And I'm just gonna type in panter.vis a lot of times until it's gonna create a pattern. I'm also going to change the color to white so it's going to be visible right now. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to create a copy because I want to leave the original. Right click and go to rasterize type. From here we're going to create a shape. This is the circle right here. You just long click and select the ellipse tool. I'm gonna press and hold shift. And I'm just gonna put this to the middle. I'm gonna arrange it here. So it's gonna center it perfectly. There you go. I'm gonna uncheck this. Just press and hold Control and click on the thumbnail of the ellipse. Like this. Go back to the layer. With the text and go to filter, distort and spherize. Now you should have this on 100%. As you can see, if I go back to minus, it's gonna create the vice versa effect. So I'm gonna add plus 100. Click OK. As you can see, it expanded pretty nicely, but you can do it even more and more. Make sure to select the sphere, the ellipse, press and hold Control, and this way you selected the circle and you go back to filter, click on spherize right here, and as you can see, it created more. I'm gonna go again and boom. Now of course it became blurry because it just distorted the whole text, but mainly this is how you do it. It looks pretty cool, and yeah, this was kind of it. I actually gonna press Ctrl Z. I'm gonna leave it like this. So yeah, this was it. Thanks for watching, and also if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the other videos as well. Have a great day. Bye bye.